Hi, this is David Bennett, and I'm going to show you how to build an agents list, a massive list, so our agents will bring us deals on a consistent basis. So what we want to do, this is Podio, and I'm going to get you familiar with this workspace eventually. But you just click up in the upper left-hand corner, go to Workspace, and here's the company. After I've sent you an invite, I'm going to invite you to the California workspace. And here you'll see a bunch of apps: cash buyers, seller leads, agents, Craigslist, lead feeds. If you're working on pendings, I will send you a list of pendings. But for this, I will show you how we scrape Craigslist. Everything is pre-filtered, so it just comes straight into Podio, and it makes it super easy for you to identify target properties. So right here, investor alert, that looks like us. Okay, San Gabriel, let's just check it out. Six bedrooms of rental income in San Gabriel. Price to sell fast. Front unit townhome. It might be an interesting. What I would do is go ahead and give this this person a call, and then I would go ahead and use our pocket listing script, because typically when an agent lists their property on Craigslist, it's because they want to capture the full commission. So they've already have the property under contract with the seller. Now they're trying to bring in the buyer, so that way they can represent both parties and capture their 6% commission. Does that make sense? So we'll give them a call. We'll use this script, the pocket listing script, right here. And when you get them on the phone, we're going to jump back over to Podio, and then we will hit California again. And then you can open up this agents in a new tab if you'd like. And that's what I'll do here. I'll go ahead and open link in a new tab. I can access my Craigslist stream, and then I have my agents tab. So I don't have to keep opening one and closing the other. It saves a lot of time. So here we'll go ahead and add an agent. You'll see you'll add the agent name, number, email. Definitely all those three. Those are mandatory. And then add the company. We'll add the resource. So whether we're working from the MLS or whether we're using Craigslist. The agent source could be from a networking event, like yesterday. I grabbed a couple leads from a networking event. Once we're in there, we could ask the agent what the MLS number is on that property, put it in there, and that way we don't have to fill out all this stuff right away. It makes the conversation go a bit smoother. And but also you could go ahead and put the address. It will autofill. So let's say it'll start autofilling. It'll start looking for different areas depending on where you are. And it'll autofill. It'll populate a map right there. Anyways, here we go. So once we have all the information filled out, we're going to save it. Don't forget to save it, because there's so many times I've put in an agent's information and I forgot to save it, or I've clicked outside of it and I lost the whole window. So don't forget to save that. And then we'll just do it again, rinse and repeat. And eventually we are going to, it's like mining for gold, like anything. We're going to find some agents that will bring us a deal. They'll either have the deal ready for us, or they will bring us another deal. And what we want to do is prove that we can we can close this deal. So, from our script, we'll assure them that we'll go ahead and send a letter of intent with a proof of funds and even an agent recommendation if needed. If you also have any questions, I could be reached at david@reioc.com, or you can just send me a text or give me a call.